Welcome back to Carl Thomas Tech Reviews. Today we're talking about the Fit Nexa SomniPods 3. Now I've had these headphones for over a week. I've used them at the gym, during boxing training, around the house, and so far sleeping with them every night since I've got them. And honestly, they've been quite a lot better than I expected. But before we get into my final thoughts, let's rewind back to my unboxing and first expectations of this. In my hands, I have the SomniPods 3 by Fit Nexa. Now these are not made for workouts, commuting, or flexing audio specs. They are specifically designed for one thing, and that is sleep. Now, while they can do other things, that is the main purpose of these, and I have been having sleep issues. The whole purpose of what these things do, what's special about them, the way they are built, they can fit in your ear and you'll be able to sleep comfortably. So whether that is in your bed, on a plane, on a train, on a bus. So it has a bunch of features, one of them being noise cancelling, as they are sleep headphones. They also are meant to have sounds. Before I get into the specs, I need to open these up because I have never used them before. So we're going to do a bit of an unboxing, see what we've got working with here. Nice little kind of premium packaging here. It's got a little embossed Fit Nexa on the side. All right, so here we go. All right, didn't expect this. Nice little circle kind of thing. What else we got here? Well, normally I just tear these things apart. Oh, there's a hidden compartment in this side. I think this is earbuds. This is various. Oh, they come in all different sizes. So this comes apart. Wow. We have extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and some of these other types of things. Cable. Oh. It comes with a standard USB-A to USB-C, but I do have USB-C chargers, so that's okay. At least the device itself is USB-C. Got some little packaging around it here. And what have I got here? A manual, charging controls, ear tip mesh, a little QR code for the app. Important instructions. All right, now look, inside the box, you'll get some earbuds, the charging case, and different ear wing sizes. So we've also got a quick start guide. It's fairly self-explanatory. Tells you how to get the app, set up and recharge pair, and a wearing guide. Now, also aside from that, we've got a little almost business card type thing here, and on there is a QR code. And if you scan the QR code, this will take you directly to the website, and you can choose whether you're using Android or iOS. Then also on the back of this is the warranty service. You will get 18-month hassle-free warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, most importantly, you get the headphones themselves. You open it up and instantly you can tell they're very small and flat by design. And as you can see, it's a charging case. I've got the two little earphones, headphones, whatever you want to call them. And I'll give you a little explanation of how you insert them. Now, it also mentions it on the wearing guide. Once again, to put these in, you insert them and then twist them to the side. Now, the versions that come in the box are already with the ear wing tip. If you take that off, it is even smaller. So because they're flat and they don't stick out, you can lie on your side without putting any pressure into your ear. Because that's usually the deal breaker when it comes to sleeper headphones, but these fit really comfortably. And then the soft ear wings help keep them in place without feeling too tight. So these headphones use a 3-layer noise reduction system: passive isolation, active noise cancellation, and adaptive noise control. Now, also on the app, it does give you a bit of basic insights, sleep patterns, things like that. Now, you don't necessarily need to use that if you're not into that. You can just use them purely as headphones or just trying to get better sleep. So look, these headphones aren't designed for audiophiles. They're for side sleepers, light sleepers, people in noisy apartments, or anyone that just finds it hard to wind down at night. So if regular earbuds annoy you, maybe this is the kind of thing for you. All right, so I'll test them out and get back to you with my first impressions. So I took them to the gym first and tested these things during boxing. And this was my real first surprise. They didn't fall out. I've had way more expensive big name brand earbuds fall out constantly while training. These just stayed in place. The ear wing design actually works, so they feel stable without feeling uncomfortable. Now, the second surprise was the audio quality. I genuinely expected it to be fine at least, but it's actually really crisp and clear. And in the app, there is an equalizer function so you can boost which frequencies you think are lacking. Look, they're obviously not studio headphones, but for something so small, they sound way better than I first thought they would. Anyway, sleep. This is what they're actually made for, so let's jump into that. Because they're flat and don't stick out, you can lie on your side without pressure pushing into your ear. That's usually the deal breaker with sleep headphones. With these, after a while, you kind of forget you're wearing them. They use a combination of passive noise reduction and active noise cancellation. In real terms, it softens things like traffic, fans, and background noise. It's not total silence, but it makes the environment noticeably calmer, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to sleep. Now, they have a few more features that actually surprised me. Now look, the app is primarily a sleep-focused app. The headphones track your sleep, and the app gives you insights and patterns over time. There's also an AI analysis built in, which gives you suggestions and feedback around your sleep. And there's even some additional health style features in there too, like activity tracking while using your phone and food logging. Now look, I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's actually really useful. So instead of having one app just for sleep and another for everything else, it's all in one place. So look, final thoughts, after a week, these have been way better than expected. The comfort is excellent, they don't fall out, and they sound much better than I thought they would. And the app is surprisingly useful, not just a gimmick. So for a new product on the market, I'm generally impressed with the quality of this. Now, while they may not be replacing my main headphones, for sleeping, training, or just having something small and comfortable in your ears, these make a lot of sense. And for side sleepers especially, this feels like a proper solution. And maybe you have a partner that snores, or maybe you just like to listen to things while you sleep. This might just be the headphone for you. So look, I'll leave some links in the description. As always, this is just my honest experience after using these things. And until next time, stay tuned for extra tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching.